Hi there everyone, Sharon Sims here from Podcasting Hub Australia, back again with another episode of On the Couch with Sharon. So come sit with me, we're going to talk today a little bit about the 4-step process of podcasting. So firstly, there is the producing, then there's the editing, then there's the uploading and hosting and publishing. So that's the very simply 4-step process to podcasting. Now let me talk a little bit more about that. So the producing, what is that? Simply, it's producing your podcast, talking into the microphone, recording your content. It's as simple as that. That's the production phase of podcasting. The editing phase is that, look, there are some simple and quite inexpensive programs out there that will allow you to edit your podcast. You may like to, as I said in one of my earlier episodes, pay or befriend a sound engineer that can do that for you. So it's just cleaning the quality of the recording, maybe putting in some advertising or promo messages, anything like that. It may be clipping out or editing out mistakes and things like that. So that's the editing phase of podcasting. Then once you've edited, you need to upload to your host. So firstly, you need to choose your host, pay your subscription, and then hit the upload button. That can take a little bit of time, but simply it's hitting the button and uploading to the host. And then comes the final exciting phase of publishing. And once again, that's simply hitting the publish button on the hosting platform. And hey presto, you are now a podcaster. So thanks for listening. Thanks for tuning into another episode of On the Couch with Sharon. Come back again soon and we'll sit and chat some more. Bye for now.